Welcome back! Let's take in the beauty of this Luxe 47FB toy hauler. As always, I like to start at the cab. The 47 and the 48 FB Luxe toy hauler come standard with the Gen Y hitch. It's going to give you a safer, smoother trip. In the Gen Bay area, we have a 6.5 Onan generator with fire shroud over it. Down below are 4 AGM batteries. And right here is the leveling system that is color-coded, so if one jack is acting up, it can be easily serviced, and the others do still work as they are not daisy-chained to each other. On the marker lights are cameras, which are part of the 4-camera system. Here is one of the twin 40-pound fuel tanks. In the pass-through storage, there is the Morai tray slide. This is an option, but it does easily pull in and out both ways. Of course, we have an exterior 110 outlet. And each side of the pass-through has access doors for ease of serviceability. But it also keeps the wiring and plumbing protected and insulated. Right next door is the Jensen Bluetooth radio, and you guessed it, another 110 outlet. Above are the marine grade speakers. And if we look at the vanity slide here, there is a slide out topper which protects and keeps the slide out roofs clean of debris. Over the entry door is the security camera and scare light. The door has the upgraded keyless entry. The elongated handrail is standard and it is very helpful. Here you can see the step above stairs on display. The black lines you see here on the slide out help the seal of the slide go in and out. And of course, we have to talk about the full body automotive grade paint, which here is in the Tsunami scheme. You'll get to pick 3 colors of your choice, and there is the 4th color, which is the drop shadow, which gives the Tsunami scheme its depth. Our tires are 17.5-inch H-rated nitro-filled tires. And just over here, you can see the spare rack, and there is an LP quick disconnect if you'd like to hook up a gas grill. We have another awning over the garage, more outside marine grade speakers, and it'll be harder to see in the back here, but just over the ramp is the backup camera for our 4-camera system, and it's just above the patio awning. The toy hauler ramp door has a loading capacity of 5,000 pounds, but in patio position that is dropped down to 1,500. And here is the access ladder to our walkable roof. This is the outside of the cross ventilation that we mentioned on our interior walkthrough. Down here is the fill station, which holds 40 gallons of fuel for your toys. Directly over is the 50 amp power cord with an electric reel to make storing the 32-foot cord a breeze. The vent protruding here above is the dryer vent. And squeezing over this panel is access to the fridge for any maintenance it might need. There are 2 furnace kickouts, which are a giveaway of our toy hauler having the Arctic package equipped. What is the Arctic package, you ask? It's twin 35,000 BTU furnaces, additional heating pad on the freshwater tank, and the water lines are foam insulated. The water bay here, you'll have your fresh fill, your flush poles, exterior shower, winterizing, and of course your main water shutoffs that we mentioned earlier in the interior video. Exterior solar, satellite hookup, and part cable hookups. We'll have a quick look at the other side of the pass-through where the 2000 watt inverter calls home. If you didn't see the interior walkthrough of this Luxe toy hauler, I will link it at the end of this video and down below. If you have any questions, drop a comment or give us a call, 844-284-6678.